Alright, you guys, we're sitting in the ride. We got the Termlab out. We're just gonna get a little bit of the minor reading for you guys to see what the Mayhem is really all about. We got Bill sitting in the back. He's got his camera rolling. Right behind him, we got the star of the show. And we're just gonna find the right song, because you know we gotta find the most reliable one. So we'll come back at you when we find the right track.
Definitely did not expect that out of this.
42 cycles.
My face is numb, dude. I'm speechless, dude. I've never encountered a sound system like that, dude.
Light bulb? That's the airbag light that just activated.
What's this?
That's my voltmeter.
That's your voltmeter?
Yeah, the top can't stay on it. It pops off all the time, but it just tells me what my volts are.
That's tight, dude.
Be deaf by like 25.
Am I gonna be deaf by 25? It's the highs that get you. The bass isn't too much.
Put your man. Big cat LaFleur. Let's get it.
Loudest you ever heard, man? That's what I like to hear.
In a car, definitely.
But it's good to see you, man. How long has it been since we seen each other?
Like 7 years.
7 years, man. Evan Ciroldo. It's great to see you again, man.
For sure, dude.
Well, let's go back to the house and get this YouTube video finished up.